Over the weekend, I whipped together this totally funky bird feeding station. Birds love it, I love it, and this is how I did it. So I've had a rummage around my collection of junk in the backyard, and I've decided to use this and this. And I've got a plan up here, so let's do it. So halfway through the project, I figure it's probably smarter to paint the tube before I dig a hole and put it in the ground. This is the easiest way to check if something's level. Just pour some water in it and see which way the water flows. Pack all the dirt back in around the edges. Stomp it in well and give it a good hose to make sure everything settles into place. Fluff up the mulch to make it look pretty. And there's the finished product. I'm really happy with that. That didn't take long at all. I think it looks good too.